Hi, welcome to Contemporary Issues in Marketing. This is a briefing for the first assessment. First thing to say is the full details of your assessment are in the module guide. Page 9 will give you the assessment 1. It's an in-class test. It takes place in the tutorials in the week beginning the 3rd of March. So you need to go to the correct tutorial. The test will take less than the hour, but you can take up to a whole hour, however long you need within that hour slot. It'll cover the topics that we've covered prior to the week beginning the 3rd. So that includes something about the history of marketing ideas, critical marketing, arguments for and against a market for human organs, service marketing, relationship marketing, Hunt's theory of competition compared to, say, theories like perfect competition, modernist and postmodernist influences on marketing, marketing ethics and ethical consumers and ethical consumption. As far as your textbook is concerned, so this is the one that's your textbook, you need to be reading a number of chapters to prepare for the test. Chapters 1, 2, 4, 9, 10 and 11, plus all the lecture material. So there's a fair bit of reading, but remember the module does require you to do 6 hours of reading a week, and that's about what this covers. Now, as well as covering that, it also asks you for how you're getting on with developing the ideas for your final paper. We want you to demonstrate that you've done some reading, some relevant reading, as opposed to a bit of general reading from a general marketing text, and that you're thinking about how you're going to incorporate that reading into your work. Okay, so that's basically assessment 1. It's worth 30% of your overall grade, and so if you can get some basic understanding and basic ideas fixed in your mind, you can do that, these short answer, fairly straightforward questions reasonably well. It's a bit of a challenge because there's a lot of reading, but basically it's a very straightforward and relatively short piece of assessment, and that's why it's just worth 30%. Have a look in that module guide, page 9, and you'll also find some information also on StudyNet under some assessment slides that I use in the lecture. Okay, hope that helps.